Hi guys, here's a super quick tip on bird netting. One of those things that we wish we'd have known in the early years when we were installing loads of commercial and domestic installations. We should have been putting it on definitely in the early years, but it's one of those things that comes up later on, and it's now proving a little niche market for installers to go back and sell it. But also, if you're getting solar installed on your house, and you're in an area where you've got trees locally and you think you're going to have a problem, even in city centres, it can become a big problem. So definitely get that specified in there at the front end. Hey, it's a USP. If you're a salesman and you're selling solar, then it's one of those things that you can say to your client, hey, we include this. It's so easy to fit, and there's so many different types and makes and models. I'm not even going to attempt to tell you which one to pick. They clip underneath, they're not going to damage the panels. If they're installed right, they stay on even in the high wind, which is absolutely brilliant. All come with like metal and plastic clips, loads of different types like that. But it really is a finished look and looks great on an installation. So that's Justin from Independent Solar Consultants. Hopefully that's adding some value and knowledge to you guys.